Most people get this wrong. They assume Yankee Pay Advance is just another short-term loan service. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's much more. It's a modern financial tool offering early wage access, installment options, and budgeting insights to help you stay in control of your finances. Here's how it works. Yankee Pay Advance lets you access part of your earned wages before payday, often within a few hours. This is useful for unexpected bills, emergencies, or larger purchases without relying on high-interest credit cards. You can also split certain transactions into smaller installments, making it easier to manage your budget. The app is user-friendly, with dashboards to track advances, repayment schedules, and total spending. Push notifications remind you of due dates, helping you avoid late fees and financial stress. The downside? Overuse for missed payments can add up in fees, so it's best used as a temporary financial solution rather than a long-term strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access advances you can repay on time. 2. Keep notifications enabled to track repayment schedules. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady income who need occasional short-term cash or want flexible installment options. Users with irregular income or per repayment discipline may find the service costly. In conclusion, Yankee Pay Advance in 2026 is practical, flexible, and user-friendly, but only if used responsibly. Track spending, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary financial tool. Subscribe for honest app reviews and money management tips.